issued a flood warning for the Mahoning River at Warren from Thursday morning until Thursday evening at 8:45 p.m. Wednesday. The stage was 7.9 feet. Minor flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 10.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by Thursday morning and rise to near 10.4 feet by Thursday afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by Thursday afternoon. At 10.0 feet, the river is out of banks. Southern portions of South Park Road threatened. Flooding can be expected at Walnut and Beaver, along South Park Highway, and along Hayden Street.
I'm sorry, hold on.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Mahoning River at Youngstown from this evening until late Thursday night at 9:15 p.m. Wednesday. The stage was 9.6 feet. Minor flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 10.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by tonight and rise to near 12.0 feet by Thursday morning. The river will fall below flood stage by Thursday night. At 10.0 feet, flooding occurs in lowland areas near Youngstown. Low-lying secondary roads may be flooded.
Hold on.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Tuscarawas River at Massillon from Thursday morning until further notice at 9 p.m. Wednesday. The stage was 10.0 feet. Minor flooding. Its forecast flood stage is 14.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Thursday morning and rise to near 15.5 feet by Thursday morning. At 16.0 feet, flooding along the Tuscarawas River near Massillon will be confined to areas north of the levee protection.